BetterHelp online therapy app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe how accessible therapy has become, and the BetterHelp online therapy app is leading that change. It connects you with licensed professionals from the comfort of your home. But is it really a good substitute for traditional therapy? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. BetterHelp makes therapy convenient and private. After a short questionnaire, the app matches you with a licensed therapist based on your needs, whether that's anxiety, depression, relationships, or general stress. You can communicate through live video, phone calls, or text messages, whichever feels most comfortable. One major advantage is flexibility. You can message your therapist anytime, not just during scheduled sessions. This ongoing access gets users continuous support, something traditional therapy rarely offers. It's also far more affordable than in-person therapy in most areas, and you can switch therapists easily if the fit isn't right. Another pro is accessibility. It's ideal for people who live in remote areas, have busy schedules, or struggle with the stigma of in-person sessions. Now for the cons. BetterHelp isn't covered by most insurance plans, so costs can add up over time. It also may not be suitable for severe mental health issues requiring in-person treatment or medication management. The experience can vary widely depending on the therapist you're matched with. In conclusion, the BetterHelp online therapy app is an incredible tool for anyone seeking professional help in a flexible, judgment-free environment. It's not a replacement for every kind of therapy, but it opens the door for millions who might not otherwise get support. If you've ever thought about talking to someone, BetterHelp makes that first step easier than ever.